Parents should learn to curtail their kids.
Cancer is a disease that it causes a lot of problems.
Felt really sad because the same thing can happen to anyone.
The campaign against breast and cervical cancer is aimed at ensuring Nigerian youth, most especially those in the secondary school, higher institution, amongst others, are armed to face the challenges associated with cancer and various ways of prevention through the use of technology as a game-changing weapon for Nigerian youth in the fight against the disease. Wife of the President, Aisha Buhari, who was represented by the wife of the Vice President, Dolapo Osibanjo, urged Nigerians to unite against cancer. She said it's important to come up with new ideas that will prevent it being one among the most deadly diseases in the world.
Let me use this opportunity in the spirit of World Cancer Day to call on all cancer stakeholders to exert more effort in awareness creation among our citizens. It is also important to come up with new ideas such as this arm our youths to cascade the campaign to secondary schools. To the NYSC members, I enjoin you to cascade cancer messages in the communities where you serve.
Also at the cancer campaign is the Director General National Youth Service Corps, NYSC, who was represented by Director Corps Mobilization, Victoria Angu, and the Chairman House Committee on Healthcare Services, Dr. Yusuf Tanko, who spoke on the importance of surmounting the disease.
Awareness might, among other things, reduce the medical tourism and conserve the hard-earned foreign currency of Nigeria. Thus, creating awareness to enable Nigerians prevent or better manage this ailment is a quite commendable thing. The NYSC is far more determined than you can imagine to carry out the awareness to nook and crannies of this country.
To ensure that youth are armed to face the challenges of cancer, which I believe is very timely and appropriately. In the National Assembly, we are not left behind. We have received a lot of advocacy since we were elected, and in partnership with the executive arm of government, we have introduced a cancer fund and create a budget line for that. And specifically, the budget line is to address cancer of cervix, cancer of the breast.
Other stakeholders present say it is apt for an innovative approach in stemming the deadly scourge.
The health campaign offers an innovative approach to stemming the scourge of breast and cervical cancers among Nigerians. Learn about this and also pass on the voice to all their classmates. So let's save some lives and keep working on this app.
The Arm Our Youth campaign seeks to introduce the anti-breast and cervical cancer campaign program into the NYSC orientation camp activities across the country. It is also aimed at including preventive teaching in the academic curriculum of all senior secondary schools in Nigeria. Phoebe Gray, Liberty News.